So it's been interesting to watch our adrenal gland slides over the year. They start as one big giant pink blob, then they got decent, then they're just losing all color. So this is what it's supposed to look like. We have the zona glomerulosa is here. It's usually like a reddish color. We have the fasciculata, which is a more whitish color. It's the biggest zone. And then the reticularis is here. And then the medulla looks something completely different. So here it is again. I know that this darker color is the glomerulosa. The fasciculata is always white. So this has actually humongous reticularis. Our slides don't. And then we have the medulla. So this slide I would not show. I swear that's the slide out of my book, by the way. I did not give you a slide like this because I cannot tell the difference between that zone and that zone. So I give you a nice picture like this that has definite clarity between the zones. So I actually really like this one, a nice clear fasciculata. I know the reticularis is there, then glomerulosa is there, and then the medulla must be what's there. I also like counting the zones. So we have the capsule, we have this glomerulosa, the fasciculata, and the reticularis. And another strategy is to always go for this nice clear zone, and you know the other two zone, which is a fasciculata, and you know the glomerulosa is above it, reticularis is below it. Thank you.